Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xc19001e1 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to go to fast.com and hit enter. This will show the internet connection speed. If it's good enough, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.